Hello guys, to another unboxing video.
Today we have Jabra Elite 3 Earbuds. But first of all, as always, what do you think? How heavy it is?
Should we take out of the plastic, paper plastic thing? Or
Okay. You are the unboxer. No, don't remove. Here we have Jabra Elite 3.
Does it say the weight?
No. So how heavy?
Wait, I don't know. I'm not sure actually.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
I'd say about 300 grams or something like that.
300.
Yeah. My guess, yeah.
200 grams, I think less.
Okay.
Let's go and see. I was right.
No, it wasn't right.
1 point for me. So, let's see what's inside.
Let's see what's inside.
Let's see what's inside for the second time. Because I forgot to turn on. Yeah.
You forgot to turn on?
My not camera, my microphone. I am
Oh,
exhausted.
your microphone. Okay, your
I'm
microphone.
exhausted a little.
From what? From doing
Filming.
nothing?
So here we have earbuds. We did that in a previous cut.
Nice.
And what do we have here?
Something I might steal actually.
Don't. I have more if you need at home.
It's not the same, you know. Okay, these are two pairs. And what? Wait.
And what?
Oh, okay. I thought I saw deception, but no. I thought it's only two pairs, and on the package there are three. But probably
yeah.
ones are on the
On
Xbox
the
themselves.
Xbox.
Yep.
Let's talk about the specs. So speaker size is 6 millimeters and from 20 to 20 kilohertz bandwidth. And what about the microphone's bandwidth? What do you think?
Microphones. From 100 Hz to 8 kilohertz. I think it's quite nice for your vocals when you want to have phone. Well, yeah, when you have when you want to sing on your phone call with your mama.
Music play time in total is up to 28 hours. So with a case
With
in
the case.
total.
Okay. So the earbud playtime on themselves is up to 7 hours.
Charging time 3.5 hours.
And Bluetooth version 5.2.
Operating distance is up to 10 meters.
10 meters, okay. And earphones are rated up to IP55 rating. So that means a little bit of water
Splashes
shouldn't do
Sweat
damage.
and-
Yeah, sweat.
is good.
I wouldn't take them to shower, but
Yeah.
I think it's quite nice to have. Yeah.
So now let's download the app and listen to the music.
Listen to the music. Okay.
So it shows first of all, take it out. 8 seconds. What do I need to do for 8 seconds? What do you think?
Select your device. I think it's what you said is Elite 555. No, Elite 3.
Yes.
There's Elite 3. Not active, just simple Elite 3. Yeah, okay. So here we go. It's Elite 3. Press and hold the left and right buttons at the same time for 3 seconds until earbuds LEDs flash blue.
Both?
Yes, at the same time. 2, 3. Should start, yes, flashing blue. Next. And should Bluetooth is oh, you see? Here you go.
Here
It's my
we
email. You have to
Bleep it.
connect. Are we connecting? Connecting.
Connected those successfully.
Yes, the Bluetooth device has been connected successfully. Connection successful. Elite 3 is now connected to your phone. Okay, so what do we do next? I think we will skip.
What is it?
I don't care.
Okay.
Not now. Yeah. Okay.
What do we have here? 40%?
Yeah, we have 40% battery on the left and the right. Also, we have some functions you can adjust. So, like equalizer. Also, here through it helps you like when you listen to music, you can turn on here through, so you can hear like cars and stuff coming by, so you don't die. Also, some music presets for equalizer and stuff. If you want like bass boost, smooth, energizer, triple boost, speech, and that. I would just suggest like to create your own for your personal taste.
Neutral.
Yeah.
Or bass boost.
No, it's just neutral.
I think bass boost for like 80% of the people will be go-to.
Maybe.
And what will happen if you press edit at widgets?
Edit widgets.
Do we have more widgets or that's it?
I don't know.
That's it, I think.
Yeah, that's
We
it.
don't
You
see
can like switch them.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
that's it. Okay.
So you wanna listen first or?
Maybe it's your headphones. You like
Okay.
earphones. You can try. What do you want to listen to?
I don't care. Just
You don't care.
where should be bass and other.
Bears
this-
and other. Okay.
Can you turn on here for you? I wanna see the change
Okay, my friend.
because now I don't hear you.
But you
At
hear
all.
music.
I don't hear you at all. Now.
But do you hear music?
Oh shit! I hear you
Okay, very nice, very nice.
a little bit.
Okay, and now?
It's hard to understand when you're silent.
Okay,
but
what now? What about now? You hear
right
something?
now nothing.
And what about now? You hear something right now or no?
It's hard to hear. Shit. But I hear that. I hear you a little bit.
Okay, very nice.
But music is a little bit louder, so.
Yep. So what's next, my friend? I think he likes it.
There is no bass in this music part. Wait a second. Wait a second. Still not a chorus. Now here we have a bass.
Okay, let's go through some.
It's hard to tell if there is a change. Can you give me again neutral and bass boost?
Yes, of course, my friend. Neutral. Bass boost. Neutral.
Like, it's hard for me to hear the difference.
Bass boost. Neutral.
Okay. It's time for you to test it.
For me to test it, okay.
You can clean it and test it. Not like that. Oh, you will play for yourself.
We need to wait a little bit now before for the bass to come in.
So what about here through? Do you hear me? Do you hear me? I'm here. I'm talking with you. Do you hear me?
Barely.
Yeah, it's hard to hear through the music. You need to talk like that for
Yes.
you to hear me.
Yes.
My
Yes.
friend.
Yes. Okay, you can actually hear a little bit of like bass boost. Not much, but just enough.
Just a small.
Yeah, just a small bit like. Of course, we don't know what like ranges are for these adjustments. Like
Yeah.
it could be 1 decibel, it could be 3, it could be 10. You know, it's not specified. Okay, I like it. They fit quite nicely actually in your ear. There are like different types of like, you know.
So I paid 60 euros for it. What do you think? Is it worth it?
60
Is it good?
euros. Well, it depends. It depends, because these ones actually have like a quite a long like reach inside your ear. So some people may like it, some people may do not like it. No, like now popular headphones like with Samsung come like, I don't know, their Samsung stuff like, and they just sit on your ear and do not go inside. It's great if you don't like things to go in your ear, but it's not that great for like all the noise rejection and stuff. So if you want some more rejection of the noise, I think it's quite nice to have like they go into your ear. Yeah.
I think that there should be a hear-through like settings, because like if the music is loud, you need to add more of like hear-through, because it's hard to hear what he was speaking when he is speaking like normally. You need kind of to shout to hear each other.
Yeah.
So that's a little bit disappointing, but I think if you are going in a street and for cars,
Yeah, it will work.
it's enough.
I still have actually the Jabra Elite 65s, I believe. I use them quite a lot. I like them. I like how they sound. I like the feel. And for the price, 65 euros for these ones, I think it's quite a good deal. If you like it to go in your ears, yeah.
What about the quality of the sound? Do you like it?
Well, I mean, how good can it be in like in this small driver in your ear? I mean, they all sound similar, but I like it. Like it's for everyday use, for working out, for like just going around in the city. It's great. If you want to mix in the studio, not sure.
I liked the sound. I think it's a good quality. It's not disappointing. Like when you add and you hear only bass and you don't hear any presence. I can see all of the range, and that's what I like.
Just be careful not to lose these ones, because they're expensive to change, and I might steal a few.
No.
Yes,
No.
because they're different size from like normal plugs you get on most earphones. So be careful of that.
So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to press like, subscribe and share, and we will meet in the next video. Goodbye. Give me back. I saw that. Give me back. I saw that. I saw that.
No, you don't.
Give me.
You see nothing. Nowhere I can put it and you will not take it.
I won't go there.